into the popcorn that we just made. And it has a big hose section and little hose section. You see how it has a lot of hose? It's on the little hose section, it's like you can dump and then, but I'm going to
let's not use that. Do the little one.
So, this is my secret ingredient to the popcorn. Because who doesn't love salt? Don't.
Okay, so today I'm going to make mac and cheese. And I call it my mac and cheese blast off. Ingredients is angel hair, garlic powder, ground mustard, pepper, salt, tiger seasoning, which is trying to be very tempting, and challenge butter, followed by some mayonnaise. Let me close this. Oh my, somebody opened it. So far, so good. We're starting off with a small boil. We're gonna have to get it bigger. So we gotta wait for a little while, like 2 hours now. Need something. More cheese. That's funny. Even better. I might need one thing. One more garlic. He's a little. Now that is good.